Yes. Hi everyone, it's a pleasure morning for all the Xiaomi fans as today we will be officially launching the Mi Mix 3 here in the Philippines. Just in case that you would like to anticipate this grand launch of this product, we are here at Cyberzone, 4th floor, Building B of SM Mega Mall. So now we will be entering the store just to check this product. Hi! So guys, we will be checking this phone and how it actually works. The Mi Mix 3, it is actually the first device to feature 5G capabilities. Mi Mix 3 also has features a patented magnetic slider and nearly bezel-less. So it's actually a full screen display, and for all you know guys, this device has features like 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI dual front camera. So now we will be asking some of the Xiaomi fans out there. So hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. Can you tell us something about the how the camera works?
Introduce yourself first.
I am Chris, my boy is Chris. I'm here with the Mi Mix 3. Ang nagustuhan kong feature sa kanya is the camera is hidden, but we slide it like this. Lalabas yung 24 megapixel camera na front. And then meron siyang AI detection.
Let's just focus it. So it's a 24 megapixel camera.
Yes, with 2 megapixel hidden secondary camera.
Secondary camera. Do you think it's really good for the photography?
Photographer enthusiast.
Yes, yes, of course. Kasi meron siyang AI detection. So automatically, makikita niya kung portrait mode. Meron siyang mga iba't ibang modes na makikita. And then, pag nakikita niyo may mga ganyang lights, na nagustuhan ka sa kanya, pag in-on mo yung HDR, you will see na pag nag-take tayo ng photos, mababawasan yung glare.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes. Unlike sa other cameras, hindi mo na makikita yung mukha mo.
Ang ganda.
Galing.
Very nice.
Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And also, yung magnetic slide mo can take up to 300,000 slides.
Wow.
I also
Wow.
watch a video on YouTube
Uh-huh.
na may ginawa 600,000 slides.
Really?
So, ganun siya ka-durable.
Oh, okay. So, ganun siya katibay.
Yes, ganun siya katibay.
And I heard na ano siya, no? It has a world-class photography rated 108 by
Yes, from DxO.
DxO Mark, right? That's high.
Last na nabasa ko, when I read it, number 3 siya ngayon sa mobile photography.
Wow.
Scoring 103 DxO.
Number 3?
Yes,
It's number three.
number 3.
Okay.
So, what else can we
Say about
the Mi Mix 3?
Snapdragon.
Snapdragon 845 with AIE.
For all the gamers, no?
Yes, gamers, multitasking. So what else can we get? Wala na tayong hahanapin pa.
Yeah, and it runs on latest MIUI, right?
Yes, MIUI 10 is full screen usage. You can see, pwede natin siya dito i-set sa settings. The full screen display. Pagka nilagay natin siya rito, we can experience the full screen at yung borderless screen natin is magagamit talaga natin.
So that you can enjoy your game
Yes,
experience.
yes. You see, meron siyang tutorial kung paano mo gagamitin kung first time mo magpo-full screen. See, tuturuan niya tayo. Press back. So, wala na tayo ditong mga buttons.
Navigation button.
Oo, navigation buttons. As you can see, you can enjoy your full screen borderless from Mi Mix 3.
Wow, very nice. Ang ganda pala talaga niyan, ano? Tsaka if you hold it, it looks very premium,
Yes,
no?
because
Ang
it
ganda
has
niya,
a ceramic,
ang bigat niya.
it has a ceramic back.
Yeah, ceramic
Kaya
back.
really look classy.
Uh-huh.
Oo.
And one more thing, I think it's also available in blue,
Yes.
green, and black.
I like to see the blue.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Guys, but do you have do you have anything to say about the Mix-3?
About the games
Yeah.
perspective. Okay. Mas sa millennial, in this generation, masasabi ko, unang tingin ko pa lang, hinanap ko agad yung camera. Sabi ko, nasan yung camera? And then, pag ginanon mo, ako, wow, bago pala yung ano niya, yung itsura niya, oo. Tapos sa gamer, kasi unang-unang tinitingnan ko sa phone, pag bibili ako ng phone, is yung RAM. So yung, as a gamer, mayroon pala siyang 6 gig RAM. So, kaming mga gamers, hindi kami maka-experience ng laging mga ganon. So, makakapaglaro kami. Tsaka, yung isa pa dito is yung, di ba, hindi na lumalabas yung camera, hindi na makikita yung camera. Pag naglalaro kami ganito, hindi na namin makahawakan yung camera.
Kasi may nash kasi.
Nice.
Grabe.
Yan ang hinahanap ngayon ng halos lahat ng Mi fans. Parang mas gusto nila yung walang notch.
Number one cheapest gamer phone po talaga ang Xiaomi.
Talaga.
Pag nag-research.
More affordable.
Yes.
Yeah. But it doesn't mean low quality, right? Because it's very durable. And what else? Parang all-in-one package na siya eh, diba?
Some of old Xiaomi phones are still working right now.
Yeah. Talaga?
Wow.
Days pa, no?
May mga nakikita ako na Mi 3 pa.
Actually, even Redmi 1S.
Okay, yeah.
Talaga?
Redmi 1S, meron pa ako nasa bahay pa.
Can you also guys tell us how excited you are to get this phone?
First day ng release ko, kuha agad ako na.
Wow. Yes.
Dahil nung lumabas yung Mi 8 Pro, kumuha agad ako.
Wow, talaga?
Yes.
ka din.
Ganun ako kapan ng Xiaomi.
Actually, to be honest, our stock is very limited. So, kung may gustong kumuha na kayo. Ngayon pa lang.
Let us know kung kailan pwede mag-pursue.
Yeah, actually, it's already available here in Mi Store. And it's going to be available for pre-order on Lazada from today until tomorrow. Okay, so I think they also have a freebie on Lazada, but it's really, you have to go there to find out. It's a surprise. Okay, so by the way, the Mix-3 I think comes with a wireless charger. Right?
Yes,
Wireless
that's
charger.
one thing that nagustuhan ko rin.
Yeah.
Xiaomi included a wireless charging. Hindi lang siya basta wireless. It's a fast charger. 10 watts. So, it's not just typical wireless charging. Pag chinarge natin siya, every time na pwede lang natin siya ipatong na ganyan, wala tayong ginagawa. So, pag pick up natin, meron na tayong ulit na battery.
Yeah.
May juice na ulit tayo.
Wow, ang galing. Pero meron din siyang pwede din naman siya ng
Oo. Although wala siyang audio jack, meron namang, ang alam ko, nagsasama si Xiaomi kasi sa Mi 8 Pro meron eh.
okay.
So, we can still enjoy listening from our earphones.
In addition to that, it also has optical zoom, no? Sa
Yes,
camera.
meron siyang telephoto. So, 2 times optical zoom. So, pag sinabi mo siyang optical zoom, ang nagustuhan ko doon, hindi mawawala yung quality ng picture.
Moving forward, can you also show us how it actually works? Can we take a photo of the Xiaomi fans out there?
For example, dito, when we press this 1x, so lalapit siya, makikita mo yung quality hindi nawala. Ganun pa rin.
Oh my God, ang linaw!
Hindi first si Kuya.
So kahit i-ganyan mo rin siya, ganun din yung effect.
Wow.
And also the AI, you see na-detect niya sa portrait photo kasi tao siya. So, yun yung kagandahan ng Mix-3 na camera. Also, meron siyang night mode agad.
So how does it work?
So in night mode, we just have to make our hands steady when we are taking a photo. Dahil meron siyang particular seconds na mag-run, and then pag nakita natin, mas malinaw siya kung ang ating area is madilim. And then, one more thing, napakaganda yung manual niya, manual mode. Ito yung meron tayong ISO up to 32,000. At 3,200, sorry. And then shutter speed. Grabe.
Wow, so these are for the DSLR. Fine.
Yes, it's like a DSLR in your hand. Meron din siyang focus.
Hindi na kailangan pala umipila ng DSLR.
So,
Yeah.
yung mga photography pan sa mobile can really use this. Kasi lalo na kung mga night shots, even we can get the Milky Way shot na sinasabi nila. Just use the settings. Alam naman nila yon kung paano nila gamitin yun. Ibababa mo yung ISO, then shutter speed, 32 seconds. Makukuha natin yung mga stars. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. So napakaganda, napaka full pack features na si Mimix 3. Also, ang nabalitaan ko rin, si Mimix 3, magkakaroon siya ng 10 gigabyte na RAM.
Wow, 10 gig of RAM.
Yes. May nabasa rin ako na magkakaroon ng 5G version.
Yeah, 5G. Yes, it's actually the first in the country.
The first in the country. So sana, when na-release yun, siguro mapapabili na naman tuloy tayo.
Well, it's worth buying for.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's worth it.
For the price of
It's I think it's 6 and 6 gig, 128 gig.
wow,
Yeah.
that's really cheap.
And it's available again. It's available in blue, green, and black.
Wow.
So punta na sa
Tara na,
Mi
punta na
Store
kayo sa Mi Store.
and punta na sa Lazada now na bago kayo maubusan.
Can you also invite some of the Xiaomi fans to get here just to anticipate this product?
We are inviting all Xiaomi fans. The Voice is inviting you. The Mi Store, the Mi Philippines. We are inviting you all to come and join us here at the Mi Store para ma-experience nyo yung Mimix 3 at para ma-convince kayo kung gaano siya kaganda.
Yeah, kasi talagang
try
ang
to
ganda niya.
experience it first hand at malalaman nyo kung bakit siya ang flagship ng Xiaomi.
Yes.
The Mimix 3.
So do you have anything else to say, guys? About the Mix 3?
Punta na lang tayo dito sa mga store. Ma-experience the Mimix 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Anything else? I think the fans want to try the 960 frames per second. Slow mo.
Yes.
Okay.
We are
Slow-mo.
asking, some
This is
fans
one of
are asking
the-
over Facebook Live on how it works.
Okay, the slow-mo.
Isa
Okay.
sa mga biggest features din ito ng Mimix 3, no. Meron na siyang 960 FPS slow motion. So pag tinry natin siya, makikita nyo mamaya pagkatapos ng video, wait lang ha. We can create a dramatic effect.
Wow, it's smooth, huh?
Ayun isang video. You see how slow motion of 960 FPS. So pwede na tayong gumawa ng dramatic shots para sa ating phone lang gamit.
And also for all the video editors out there that
Yes.
who would like to produce a quality videos, go buy now the Mimix 3.
Yes. So, pagka nabili mo na siya, parang ayaw mo na siya hawakan. Parang ngayon,
Ayaw mo nang ibalik.
Ayaw mo na siyang bitawan.
Ayaw mo na rin pakawalan.
Ganun siya kaganda. Ganun talaga siya na makukonvince ka niya. Right now, it's running MIUI 10 local. Napaka-smooth ng UI niya.
Aside from the photography, what else do we need to look forward to for that product?
This particular Mimix 3, grabe yung expectation mo, talagang masosolve siya. From the other brands, they created their own technique to show the full screen. Pero si Xiaomi lang ang merong ganitong slide. Magnetic slider. So, hindi niya kinompromise yung quality para lang makagawa siya ng isang full screen device or phone, which is the Mimix 3. So, pwede nga siyang gawing fidget spinner, you know?
Because it's really satisfying.
Yes, satisfying. And base sa computation, you can do 274 slides a day for 3 years, yung 300,000. So, pwede kang magawin yung ganyan with 274 times a day. That's computed to a 3-year slide of 270.
Wow. Yeah, that's interesting. So
what else, guys? Kayo, ano ba iisip nyo?
Kayo guys,
Pagdating sa battery, since the MIUI
Yes.
is optimized for gaming also, the battery life, even though it's 3,200 milliamps, it is very good for gaming as well. So as a gamer, ano yung masasabi mo pagdating sa battery niya?
Since yung battery niya is nalaman ko na is 3,200 mAh, so good na rin yung battery life niya. Lalo na ngayon sa mga magbabakasyon, sa mga magbabiyahe. Siguro hindi na tayo mag-worry na baka malobat tayo. So, tsaka yung
Wireless charging is so very convenient.
Also, this is Qualcomm 4 compatible. So, kahit malobat ka, may dala kang power bank na Qualcomm 3 or Qualcomm 4 charger. Grabe, masasabi ko siguro mga 1 hour and 10 minutes lang full charge. So, hindi ka mag-aantay ng matagal. Yun yung isa sa maganda sa kanya. Nalaman ko na QC4 siya. Wow, sabi ko, ang bilis mag-charge nito.
oh my God, so hindi ka na talaga mag-aantay. Ano?
Yes.
Galing. Galing
So,
talagang complete package na. Ano pang hahanapin?
Gaming, photography, full screen without compromising the quality.
and as well the experience.
Yes.
Ceramic bath.
Ceramic bath. Wow,
It's actually very affordable. Kumpara mo sa
Kumpara
mga
mo sa ibang-
kalinya niya, right?
It's very affordable. Ang layo ng price niya for the features na meron siya.
True.
Kaya masaya kami kay Xiaomi dahil he's always bringing up best product with the best price.
Yes. Yeah. That's Xiaomi for you. Okay. Right.
Moving forward, can we also play a game using that phone so that we can showcase the processor?
Right now, wala siyang game. So,
Maybe we can do a multitasking na lang.
okay. So, may kita nyo, kahit magbukas tayo ng browser,
Up for gestures.
up, security, up, ganun siya kabilis. Balik sa security, balik sa browser. It's like a buttery smooth sa UI niya. Grabe. Ang bilis ng transition. Kahit pagbubukas ng camera, on agad.
Compared to other phones, no? Tagal
Yes,
ng pagbukas
yes.
ng
May loading pa
application.
siya. Unlike this, sobrang bilis mag-multitask. Also, if you want to do the... Grabe, ang bilis. Pagka pinindot mo to, pwede na agad. Dalawa, split screen. Ganun siya kadali at ang bilis na gawin. Grabe, oh, ang daling mag-multitask. So, syempre, meron pa rin mga apps na hindi pwede sa split screen. But anything else, pwede mong gawin. Browse ka
Wow,
while
split
checking
screen.
your photo.
Maybe you can send a message while watching on YouTube.
Yes, pwede rin. Halimbawa, magme-message tayo. And then, we want to watch YouTube. Ang bilis ng transition.
Ang sharp din ng ng display
Oo.
kasi dun
Oo,
sa AMOLED.
kasi dahil AMOLED siya, napaka-creeps ng display, no? Makikita mo, yung mga icons, grabe, detailed na detailed. Kahit tingnan mo yung photos mo, makikita mo, yung detalye andon. Yung black niya, black na black, dahil AMOLED siya.
And it's very crisp.
Yes, look. Makikita mo.
Wow, grabe yung detail.
Kita mo yung mga fingerprints. Tago natin, baka makuha. Oh, and meron din siyang watermark. Let's try yung bouquet niya dito kay Mito.
Still recording. Can you?
And we're going to try the bouquet. Grabe ang linis ng kuha. At isa pa, may naalala ako, nakita ko. Meron siyang features when you're trying to edit, lalo na kung bouquet yung kinuha mo.
So
Pwede
meaning
na.
there's no need for you to download application.
Yes,
to
no
edit
third
the photo.
application needed. Kasi pwedeng kung food, ilalighten up niya, landscape, ibibigay niya yung mas kulay na kailangan mo.
For all
Grabe,
the ideal.
so choose.
Wow.
Kaya mahal na mahal namin si Xiaomi kasi laging binibigay yung mga gusto namin.
Yes. Iban talaga si Xiaomi nakikinig sa
Yes.
consumers.
Spoil din yung fans.
Spoiled na spoiled kaming mga fans sa kay Xiaomi.
Gusto niyo ba ng pag-giveaway?
Wow! Meron ba tayo doon?
May narinig daw ako sa comments eh.
Yeah, kasi nag-request sila ng giveaway.
Can also,
So guys, let us know if you want a giveaway and we will give it to you right away.
we want a giveaway! See, yung mga photo enthusiasts dyan, photographers, marami tayong modes. Grabe. Pag nasubukan nyo to, hindi na kayo maghahanap pa ng iba. Sa mga vloggers out there, pwede natin tong gamitin. Kompleto na talaga siya. Grabe.
What's the mechanic?
Meron pang Teams.
Natry nyo na din yung ano, yung AI light trail na bokeh. Yung sumasircular yung bokeh sa likod.
Oo, ito pwede nating i-try pag may mga lights. Halimbawa,
Yan, sige. Sige na, try mo lang.
for example, kukuha tayo ng photo na mayroong lights.
So this is our subject, guys, and we will be trying the camera of Xiaomi Mi
You
Mix.
see, ang bilis niya mag-detect, grabe. Nade-detect agad niya. Pati mag-process,
Wow,
ang
ang galing
bilis.
na bokeh, no?
So, ito yung isang feature na nilagay din sa MIUI 10. Meron tayong tinatawag na light trails. So, may kita mo gumagalaw yung mga lights.
Ang galing.
Oo. Pwedeng circular. Iba-iba. Pwedeng maging heart yung
It's
mga
like
ilaw.
the photo is really alive.
Yes. Nagiging mas realistic siya. At ang good thing doon, pwede mo siyang i-save as video. Pag sinave mo siya as video,
Wow.
pwede mo siyang i-post sa Facebook na gumagalaw yung lights.
Gusto niyo ng giveaway? sabi ni Rolly Son
You see? Oh.
Reyes.
Pwede mo siyang i-save ng gumagalaw. Ang
Sige
ganda
later, wait
talaga.
lang Rolly Son ha. Stay tuned.
So what else? Meron siyang studio lighting. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa studio para lang ibigay sa yung mga ganitong klaseng effect, 'di ba?
Ay,
Tapos
diba?
i-adjust mo. See? Kunyari may mga sinag. Rainbows. Grabe, ang dami mong pwedeng magawa sa Mi Mix 3.
Wow, grabe.
Kunyari,
Talaga.
oh my God.
Oh my God, pang IG.
Pwede ka nang gumawa ng sarili mong photography studio.
True.
Just in the palm of your hand. Grabe, ang galing. Gusto ko nang bumili ngayon na.
Ang galing ano, seryoso.
So, pwede tayong mag-ano ng favorites. Yun ang maganda sa mga features ng MIUI eh. Lalo na sa nakalagay dito. Madali mong makikita yung mga photos na gusto mo. Sa mga tinag mong favorites, lalabas agad siya. As you can see, grabe, halos wala na talagang border. Sobrang nipis. napakaganda.
By the way, a fan was asking, what's the stock Android version of this product? Well, I think it's the latest Android version.
Android 9.
Android 9.
Yes. Android 9. It's a Pi.
Oh my God, gusto ng drop test. Grabe naman kayo. Mahal yan.
Well, it's a ceramic, so hindi siya dapat ibagsak. Yung mga ganitong phone ay hindi dapat binabagsak. Minamahal siya.
Yeah. True.
Agree ka ba, kuya, na dapat minamahal ang kanyang phone?
Yes,
Ang mobile phone ngayon ay parang masasabi natin na girlfriend na rin natin.
Yes.
Kasi pagka binagsak at iniwan mo siya, masasaktan siya.
Pero hindi ka niya bibigoin.
Medyo may hugot tayo dyan.
Hindi ka niya bibigoin kasi bibigay niya lahat ng pangangailangan mo. Yan si Mimix 3, grabe.
Yan si Mimix 3.
At sa lahat ng girlfriend, siya yung pinakamaganda. Grabe,
God.
ang ganda niya.
Ang daming girlfriend ni Chris.
Marami akong phone, marami akong girlfriend. Grabe, this is a truly best bang for the buck na flagship phone.
Yeah. And again, it's only $29,990
Grabe.
here.
Ngayon mo lang
Here
makikita yung...
in Mi Store and also on Lazada. Yeah.
So guys, mga nagnonood dyan, tara na, pumunta na tayo sa Mi Store or
So,
Mimix 3.
deserve nyo yan. Maganda kasi talaga siya.
At saka perfect yan.
Yung pa isa, nakalimutan ko yung isang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. So meron siyang extra button dito.
Oh, talaga.
This button is for Google Assistant. You can see, isang press lang, ma-access mo na si Google Assistant. So pwede ka nang, para ka nang may kasamang AI talaga.
Yeah.
Wow.
Meaning there's no need for you to open the application.
Yes.
Just access Google Assistant.
Sobrang bilis. Pag pinindot mo siya, ayan agad siya.
Wow.
This extra button here.
Ang galing. Galing ano? Okay.
So, yun yung isa sa mga hidden features na nilagay nila. Napakaganda, grabe.
So, yan guys. Punta na po dito sa Mi Store and punta na sa Lazada. Kasi limited lang po. Limited lang ang stocks ng Mimix 3. And gusto nyo po ba ng giveaway?
Yes, may giveaway. You heard it right.
May giveaway. Ito na. Okay. No, actually, yeah, we have a surprise for you. Of course, we won't leave you empty-handed. Okay, so the mechanics is very simple. We just want to know the best feature that you love about Mimix 3. And then hashtag dream come true, hashtag ArtX Technology, and put it in the comments below. And then the best answer will win one Mimix 3. Okay? Okay?
Oh my God.
Manonood na ako.
Manonood ka na.
Pwedeng maganda hapon.
Okay ba? Okay guys? So,
Sali na, guys.
So,
sali na.
benta nyo na yung old phones nyo.
Yeah.
Bumili na kayo ng pamasko para makuha nyo na si Mimix. Grabe, sobrang sulit. Ngayon pa lang ako bibili na.
Yung 13th month nyo, dyan na. Sobrang worth it siya, guys.
Yes.
Sobrang premium niya. Alam, to be honest, parang mas mabigat siya kaysa sa mga nahawakan kong ibang phones. Sobrang ganda. Wala akong masabi. So yeah, that's it.
By the way guys, may mga fans na ngayon lang manood, then they are asking for the mechanics. Kung paano ulit yung mechanics ng giveaways natin.
Okay, mag-type kami later ng mechanics. Okay, well, sige, I'll repeat it. All you have to do is tell us what you love about the Mix 3 and hashtag ArtX Technology, hashtag dream come true. That's it. And then the best answer will win. Okay. thank you very much for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, and I would also like to thank our Mi fans for joining us today.
Hi! Say hi to the fans!
Ano pa inaantay nyo? Punta na rito sa
Okay.
Mi Store. Mega Mall.
EDSA or EDSA.
Or EDSA. Marami tayong branches na at tayo nyo pa. Narinig ko magbubukas pa ng mas marami.
Yes!
Coming near you.
Actually, may freebies sila dito. For the first 20 customers to purchase in Mimix 3, may freebies sila. So, it's up to you to find out.
Tara na, punta na. Units 3.
Bye guys!
Bye guys!